Hi,
Hello.
hi,
Hi.
hi.
Yes, happy Tuesday, Bong. Right?
Happy Tuesday. So where are you now?
I'm home.
You're home, but the background is
Yes.
different. And you did you move your room for the video class?
Uh, no, before I was in my
Ah,
parents-in-law's house. Now I'm
okay.
home.
Okay, I understand.
Yes.
So, so what about the network? So is it okay now? So internet,
Actually,
yeah, last
last
time,
Saturday,
yes, right. So
it's uh-huh.
there was
On
no
Saturday,
problem with the students.
yes, only your class.
Sorry to hear that.
Right. I think at the time the internet was not so good, but
Yeah,
yes,
yeah,
after your class, all my
yeah.
classes were all good. Yes,
Yeah,
at the
actually,
time.
yes, right. After class with you, I had one more class with another teacher. Then I
Mhm.
had a similar problem, one disconnection. But after that, everything
Uh,
was good.
I see. Yeah, I
Yeah.
think it's that during that time there was
Yes,
a
right.
problem. Yes, with the
Yeah.
network. Yeah, that's why. And then
Okay.
after that, everything was okay
But I
already.
think yes. So this network is better than before because I can
Really?
see you
Same.
clearly,
Mhm.
clearly, and then
Ah,
yes, right. So
I
before
see.
the video on the internet, your face is a little bit disconnected, but now it's
Mm.
smoothly moved.
I see. Right. I'm home. That's why.
Okay, better. That's, I think it's better.
Yes. Right. Okay. How was your day? Today is the last day of your vacation, right?
So, but actually, I had to work on Monday yesterday because
Mhm.
I had a special meeting with my directors and then team leaders. So yeah,
I
because
see.
as you know, this situation, lots of companies are worrying about their financial situation, and then just like my company, which is mostly focusing on the exporting products to over the world, but it's
Mhm.
blocked at the time. So we need
Oh.
to consider it, how to survive, how to keep the sales in this situation.
Mm,
So we had a
I
emergency
see.
meeting yesterday.
Oh, okay. So is everything okay now? Were you
Maybe
able
not.
to make
So
a
maybe
plan?
we have to lay off some employees, and then some of
Oh.
them they have to hold their work for several months.
Mhm.
They could be they could be me, including me, but nobody
Really?
knows at the moment.
Why?
Nobody knows. But if the
Of course. All right,
company's
right.
situation is getting worse, then
Mhm.
anyone could be included on the list.
Yeah. Of
Yes,
course.
yes. But I
Yes.
think that's
Oh.
inevitable for the company.
Right. Yeah, I heard in Korea it happened to many companies already.
Just right. So I have to
Right.
prepare for the situation.
Oh, that is so scary. Yes. Also,
Yeah,
before, there
yeah,
was a kind of rumor that
yeah.
they would say they will remove some teachers in the company. I was so nervous.
Yeah, actually, yeah, I think Minta Academy is also having a hard time because
Mm.
they
Yes.
reduce some benefits to Mint members. Yeah.
Yes.
So I already experienced some program that uh, was a kind of benefit to their their students, but
Mhm.
some of them is already removed or reduced. So I can feel
Oh, I
how the
see.
Mint academic situation is going. But
Mhm.
Mint Academy has a good reputation, and then yeah, I think the owner of Mint
Mhm.
Academy is a very wise man, so he can manage
Mm.
this hardship.
Mhm. Right. Actually, not only students but also teachers. Some of
Oh,
our
so
benefits were removed.
yes, right.
Yes, that's why.
So
Right. We can
yes,
feel.
yes,
Yes.
that's why
Mm.
I prolonged the class with you for 6 months more.
Oh, you cannot use your points. You have. I think you have a lot of points.
I already have a lot of points, but for the Mint Academy, I had to re-enroll it because
Huh?
at the moment, Mint Academy needs some cash to operate the company.
I see. That's the reason why. Yes, but you
So
can still use your points to make classes like that,
yeah, yeah,
or
I
no?
can have I can use the points, but maybe
Mhm.
at this time, Mint students I think have to join to yes support Mint Academy.
I see. Right. Thank you for keeping us alive.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Okay. What? Did you read an article for today's class?
Yes, the
Aha.
number 1058. Next page.
10, 10, 10,
58.
58. Oh,
Yeah,
previous page, right?
yeah.
1058. The title is
Frogs, skulls.
Frog Skulls. Right. Okay. Could you please tell me something about this?
Okay. A frog's head can be uniformly smooth on the outside, but spiky and weird on the inside. Frogs' heads may look smooth and rounded on their surfaces, but peek
Mm-hmm.
under the skin of some species, and you'll find skulls that resemble the heads of mythical dragons, studded,
Mm-hmm.
studded with spines, and other bony structures. Scientists recently highlighted the diversity of frog skulls in a series of incredible images, part of a new study investigating skull evolution and function in armored frogs. In these frogs, skulls can be shield-shaped or exceptionally wide. They may be poked by grooves or adorned with pointy beaks that may provide extra protection against being eaten, the researchers reported. Artificial
Mm-hmm.
color in the images indicates variation in bone density in different skull parts, said Reed, said Reed study author Daniel Palu, a doctoral candidate in the Department of Biology at the University of Florida. In the image of the horn from Happypulectus occultatus, blue parts of the skull, such as the brain case, are lower density than the green regions, including the jaws. Palu told Live Science in an email, there are approximately 7,000 known frog species for the study. The studies collected data from 158 species representing all of the major frog families. They found that not only was there a lot of variety in skull shapes, some of those variations appeared across different lineages, separated by millions of years of evolution. For example, large fortified skulls with intricate patterns of pitch and grooves have independently developed in the African bullfrog, South American horned frog, and the Solomon island leaf frog, Paulo said, and all of these species are ambushing predators that will eat other vertebrates. Shovel-headed, shovel-headed free frogs, whose flattened skulls resemble gardening tools, use their heads to block entry to the cracks and holes where they live. Their skulls also have spines, ridges, and grooves. In addition to very wide skull rows that provide protection from predators, Paul explained. Because all frogs look so similar, there has been limited interest in studying the evolution of their anatomy. Paul said, our study demonstrates there is still much to learn about the evolution, ecology, and anatomy of these amazing animals. That's all.
Mm-hmm. Right. Any questions about the vocabulary?
No, everything is okay.
Okay, then let's move on. What makes the frog's call desire according to the article?
Mm, okay.
Mhm.
Picture. Could you let me know what the means? Picture.
When you say desire, it's a kind of like different or unusual, unusual, like very strange, like that.
Uh,
Hmm.
picture. Okay. Actually, frogs had
Hmm.
you will find the frog's skulls that resemble the head of a mystical dragons, studded,
Hmm.
studded with spikes, spines, and other bony structure.
Mm-hmm. Right. So it's smooth when you look at outside,
Yeah,
but when you look
yeah.
at inside, it's weird.
It's
There
weird.
are some, yes,
Yeah,
spikes,
spikes. Yeah.
right? Oh, yes. And how many are approximately known frog species?
Uh, there are approximately 7,000 known frog species.
Amazing,
Yeah.
right? And what do the artificial colors in the picture indicate? And what do the green and blue colors mean?
Okay. Artificial color in the images indicates va- variations in bone density in different skull parts, said Red study
Mhm.
author Daniel Paulo, a doctoral
Mhm.
candidate in the Department of Biology at the University of Florida. In the image of the hunter frog,
Mhm.
blue parts of the skull, such as the brain case, are lower density than the green regions, including the jaws.
Mhm. Right. And what is the name of a horned frog?
Okay. The the name of Hoprox and I cannot find the name of
It's hard.
Homefrog.
It's hard to pronounce it.
Yeah.
It's just like a
Hemi.
scientific name.
Yeah. Hemiphractus scutatus. Right?
Yes. Yeah. I don't even know how to pronounce
Yeah.
this.
It's to.
This is
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. scientific name.
Right. Yes, if it is a scientific name, it's really yes hard to pronounce because we don't know the right pronunciation. Yes, for
Yeah.
those.
Okay.
Right. Okay. And how does evolution affect the species of frog and all living animals?
Actually, evolution affects the space of frogs in their size. So
Mhm.
as you can see, there are lots of species of frogs that only 1 inch frogs from 1 inch frogs to 30 centimeter frogs in the
Mhm.
world. So
Mhm.
you can,
Right.
yeah, in Korea, actually the biggest frog size is almost 40 centimeters, and then we know that can eat anything, including snakes, small snakes.
Oh, I thought snake, like small
Mm,
snakes. Okay.
yeah.
Right, I see. And are you afraid of frogs or do you find them fascinating?
Actually, I'm not afraid of frogs, and then when I was young, I uh, play with the frogs like a toy.
Really?
Yes, right. So yeah,
Oh,
during the
mhm.
spring season, I went to the river, small stream or mountain pond to catch the
Mm.
frogs with my friends and then play with the frogs.
I see. Okay, you're not scared of those before.
Yes, right.
Wow, right. Because these days most kids don't
Yeah,
like it,
yeah.
right?
Because they are
Yeah.
not familiar with the frogs.
Right, yes. For me, I'm not scared of them, but I don't like to touch them.
Yes, right. The feelings are a little bit yeah sticky and yeah slippery.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
And do you know other animals which hold so much mystery?
Uh, so I think the spiders. I think that's one of the yeah, mysterious animals. Actually, it's an insect, but
Mm-hmm.
lots of scientists are studying of their strings. Spider, yeah,
Mm,
it has. I think it has a special talent to produce lots of natural string.
oh, I see. Right. Yeah, the web they are
Yeah,
creating.
yeah.
Yes, as well. For me, are you familiar with chameleon?
Oh, yes, right. It changes their colors on their
Yes, I'm so
environment.
amazed.
Yes, right. That's a very
With those
amazing.
kinds of animals.
Yes.
Right. I was like, how could they do that? What is inside their body?
Yeah.
Yes. All right. Interesting. Do you have any questions about your article?
No, everything's okay.
All right. Well done then. If you don't have any questions about this for a new article, we're going to take that again on Thursday.
Okay, bye bye.
Okay? Hello?
Okay, bye bye.
Ah, okay, okay. Bye.